Alright, I'm going to go over how to import your live preview data. This is just basically a quick start guide to get everything online for you. So I just have a fresh installation of WordPress and have the theme installed. And from there, we're going to want to, if you look inside your download, there's this live preview XML file, and that's what we're going to use to build our demo. So let's go to dashboard, and under tools, there's an import option, and we're going to import a WordPress file, and we're going to say install now. And basically what this is a plugin that we're installing to import the files. So we'll click install and activate and run the plugin importer. Once we've done that, you can choose a file. And we're of course going to select that XML file that I told you about under Live Preview XML. We choose that and we click Upload File and Import. It has two questions. The import attachments is the most important. That one you will want to select. That's just saying, do you want me to bring in the images? And you say yes, bring in all the images and content. Then the next one is, do you want to import the author, or do you want to just change the post to an existing author? You can read about that and how it affects this site. But make sure you've selected download or import. We'll submit that, and it really shouldn't take very long. We only have a handful of images. I'm just doing this in real time so you can see how it's done. So once you're completed, you should say all done, have fun. Once you've done that, you can visit your site, and you'll notice it doesn't look like it's there yet, but don't worry, there's just a couple steps left to get it there. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to set our home page under settings and readings. Yours is most likely the front page display is your latest posts. We're going to want to select a static page instead. For the front page we select home, and for the post page we select latest news. Once we've saved that, the next thing we want to do is go under appearance and menus, and you'll notice there's menus that we've imported now. All we need to do is actually activate them under theme locations. So under primary menu we select main navigation, and under footer menu we select footer navigation. Now if we view our site, you'll see we're getting close but not quite there. The one last thing we need to set up is our portfolio pages. So the first one is our home page, and under portfolio category under page options, we're going to want to select slider, and that's basically just saying under your home page for the slider, pull in the slider category. So now that I've done that, I can refresh and you can see, ta-da, we now have some slides and our home page set up. Then all we need to do is set up our 2-column and 3-column pages the same way we set up our home page, and we'll select under 2-column portfolio the 2-column category, and under 3-column we'll select 3-column category. And then you'll see how these get posted in. Alright, and now you have your site. Of course there's a couple things that you need to set up still, like widgets. But this should get you started with tons of examples for your content and looking really, really close to our home page. You can visit the documentation in our support forums if you need additional help with setting up any of the other content. It will cover in good detail how to set everything up and adjust things as you need.